4:25 a.m. having a quick breakfast. Why? Because I'm heading to do the Katy Flat Lands. It's going to be 103 miles. Whew. Let's see how I do. Woo-wee. Here it is, 5:15 in the morning. Here we are in Brookshire High School, getting ready to meet some people and getting ready to just head on out and do this 100-mile ride. Because we're doing today the Katy Flat Lands. It's 103 miles. Luckily, the forecast today is not too hot. It's supposed to be a lot cooler than last year. It was 100 and something degrees. So let's give it a shot. Let's see if I can find everybody else. Well, I finally found the reason I'm here. This young lady right here.
Morning.
If she wasn't pushing me, I probably wouldn't be here. But hey, I'm ready though. I'm ready. What about you?
All right, let's go.
Woo, 100 miles. Woo. I found the crazies that are starting at 5:30 in the morning.
They're here.
Oh, is that us?
Yeah. Oh, that's
There's
yes.
another crazy group of
That's
eating
us.
fast.
That's us.
Our mosquitoes are biting me.
Yeah.
Let those challenges raise you up. Let them elevate you. Let the adversity you face today turn you into a better person tomorrow.
I want you to stay. 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 I want you to stay.
Don't let somebody tell you to stop doing something because you're not good at it. It's exactly the reason why you should do something. You know, I'm never going to be successful. Watch me be successful. You got to have that kind of mentality. People out there just want to hate. Fuck the haters.
I want you to stay.
First stop at 28 miles right now. Just kind of everybody using the restrooms and refilling the bottles and then head on back. Hilda, how are we doing?
We're doing great. We're 1/4 of the way. 25 miles down.
Actually 28 miles, but who's counting? Yeah, 28 miles. Mile 36, we got our first flat. A couple guys over there fixing it, and we're just over here just relaxing. All right?
That's exactly right.
Yeah, actually that is true. So, some of us are talking about beer over here.
What we're gonna do? Hopefully I can count on one hand the number of beers I've had in the last year. Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
I like open that. Take
Thank you. $60 miles. Got dropped from the group. Whew. I knew I wasn't going to be able to hold 20 miles the whole time. There was a couple times that we sprinted and a couple of hills and burned a couple early matches, and whew, I just need a quick break to get my heart rate down. Whew. But so far it's been a great ride.
95% of our decisions are made by how you feel in the moment. And that is the problem. We make decisions based on our feelings, and that is robbing you of joy and opportunity.
Freedom, I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come. Reasons.
Man, 66 miles in and whew, I am done. Luckily I got another handlebar friend of mine just pulled up and helped me pull the rest of the way to get here to the rest stop, because man, whew, I am tired. All right, I lied. We did stop one more time so we can get some ice cold Cokes, right? Cheers. Cheers. Whew. Now that I finally caught my breath, man, that was tougher than I expected it to be. The little group I started with, they were hammering there for a while. You know, we were 21 the whole time. The problem is that whenever you stop and go, and like towards the second half of the ride, there were a couple little hills and stuff, and let's admit it, I'm not built as a climber. I'm not no Tadej Pogačar or anything like that. You know, I'm 250-pound guy. So climbing is not my forte. So man, a couple of those climbs just took the sail out of me, and then I was just done. I was cooked after that. So I stayed with the group for about 60 miles. But I stayed with the group. Then after that, I was just done, just by myself. I did end up with 91 miles. Why? Because I kind of took a wrong turn, kind of got lost, and I couldn't find how to get back to the course. And when I finally got back to the course, somehow I lost 9 miles. But oh well, 91.1 miles. I ended up with a 17.1 mile an hour average. But I gotta admit, I struggled there at the end. Whew. Talk about the struggle bus. I was driving that struggle bus. I was dying. I still want to say thank you to Hilda and the whole group. The group was still pretty awesome. I gotta admit, it was a great group. I just couldn't hang there at the end. That was just it. But other than that, man, fantastic group. Gotta do this again. I didn't realize some of the guys were still here. How was that, buddy?
It was a good ride. I finished.
You finished. What about you, Cece?
You know what? Overall, it was a good ride. It was a good ride. I mean, the sun came out and that kind of...
And the wind kind of picked up at the end.
Yeah, it did.
Picked up a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but it was a good ride.
Yeah?
Good ride, yeah.
It was a good ride.
It was.